Welcome to an overview of Supplier Management on Demand, a part of a suite of applications for the buying, selling, and trading of goods in a multi-channel environment. Within the application, key performance indicators can be displayed on personalized dashboards. The user can choose to update the reports on demand or create an update schedule. You can create a purchase order manually or initiate one from a requisition. The system also has the ability to automatically place a purchase order based on a pre-negotiated supplier agreement. From the purchase order page, you can view the line items requested, the approval hierarchy of the purchase order, and a PDF of the final version. If you do not have a pre-negotiated agreement in place, you also have the ability to source the requirements from the marketplace. Establish and send sourcing requirements to multiple suppliers from one screen. From the sourcing request, you have visibility to the entire procurement history of the item you are sourcing. Once the suppliers have responded to your request, you can evaluate their responses from one screen, compare price, quantity, and delivery times, and have the ability to create a purchase order with the click of a button. The system pre-populates the supplier information into the purchase order, and in this instance, the purchase order was awarded based on competitive bidding. Purchase orders can be placed for a variety of items. Line items can include items such as physical inventory, capital equipment, or contractor hours. At the PO line item level, you can specify quantity, cost, and supplier commitment date. At the purchase order header, the system supports the ability to do a drop ship purchase order, thus allowing for two-way and three-way matches. On the purchase order, you can provide instructions to the supplier, internal buyer notes, and associate the dropship sales order that created the purchase order. You can also request shipment options, such as an advance ship notice from the supplier. Once you have completed the purchase order with the required information, you could submit the purchase order for approval. Now that the purchase order has been submitted and approved, once finance receives an invoice for the items, they can go in and complete a two-way match by entering the supplier invoice number, the invoice date. In this instance, we have requested the items be drop shipped, so the system is looking for a two-way match. Once you have matched the items to the PO, you can also add a new voucher line for additional items such as freight. Once you have completed, the items have been matched. Thank you for watching an overview of Supplier Management on Demand, a part of a suite of applications for the buying, selling, and trading of goods in a multi-channel environment. For more information, visit www.lessoftware.com.